Attention, do you make a good income, but maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck, or you have nothing to show for it at the end of the month? If that's you, I want you to pay close attention because this video can change everything for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how my clients are becoming debt-free without having to do all the conventional things like bankruptcies, consolidations, 0% credit cards, and how they're doing this like clockwork. Hi, I'm Mike Croft here, and I'm a personal finance coach, and we help our clients get debt-free and stay debt-free. In fact, in 2022, our clients paid off over $1.3 million of debt. Our average client right now pays off $15,000 in 3 to 6 months and is debt-free within 24 months, which means they're waking up happier. They're not worried about money. They're not stressed out anymore. All right, they're making better decisions around their finances and they're keeping their money. And I'm confident we can help you do the same thing as well. But don't just take my word for it. Check out these happy clients who have come through and gotten big results. So first, there's Erica, a single mom who followed the plan step by step that I laid out for her. Within 6 months, she paid off $21,670 while making an average income. And then there was Denise, who was able to pay off $21,000 in just 4 months, again, making an average income. And then we had Barry and Sherry, a single income family of 5, who were able to put my strategies into action. They paid off about $12,000 in 12 weeks and found as much as $300 more per month to be able to use to fund their goals. And then there was Brian and Cindy, who were in their 50s when they did this. And they were able to free up over $750 a month and pay off $19,000 in just 8 weeks. And there's literally hundreds more I could show you. But here's the thing. What I have found is that making more money, winning the lottery, debt consolidation loans, consumer proposals, and even bankruptcies are not the way to get debt-free or stay debt-free. In fact, 88% of people that use these methods fall right back into debt. Except this time, their credit score is ruined. They've leveraged even more debt. They're frustrated and they're overwhelmed and nothing has changed. Which is why my methods work so well. It's because we focus on the real problem. The habits and behaviors that you've developed around money that are keeping you stuck. The limiting beliefs that you're holding on to around money that are holding you back from becoming debt-free and staying debt-free. And then the self-sabotaging emotions. People who are stressed out, who are overwhelmed, who have anxiety, do not make great decisions when it comes to their finances. And that's what we focus on. And as a result, our average client is seeing a $15,000 turnaround in roughly 3 to 6 months and becoming totally debt-free in 24 months. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, I've got a free training that I want you to go through here. It's called the 5 Shifts to Kiss Debt Goodbye for Good, without having to do bankruptcies, consolidation loans, or any of the old methods that don't work anymore. And here's the best part. This is totally free. There's no sales pitch at the end. I'm not going to upsell you into a course at the end of this training. So grab a pen and a paper, sign up for the training. You'll be taken to a page just like this. Okay, we're going to give your name, your email. All right, then you're going to click submit here and you're going to be able to get access to the training. Make sure you bring a pen and paper and take notes because this training has the power to change your life. Now, whether you're a single income earner, a family, a high income earner, an average income earner, this can work for you too. All right, sound good? Awesome. Head over to the page right now, click the link beside the video here, and we'll see you in the training.